Greetings everyone! In today's video, we will quickly learn how you can apply CSS to only mobile devices. Let's get started. Now, this is our demo website made with Enfold. For this tutorial, we want to hide this logo on the mobile device only, but not on the desktop. So to do that, you will have to log into the WordPress dashboard. We are already logged in. Go to Appearance and Customize, or wherever you can see CSS on your themes. Go to Additional CSS. Close this. Now let's add some CSS. So to hide this, let's first find its class name or ID. For that, right-click and go to Inspect. Click here and highlight the logo. And here is the name. Click on this plus icon, and I will display it as none. So the logo is hidden. Let me copy this, untick this, close this, paste it here. So you can see the logo is hidden, but we want to hide the logo only on the mobile. In order to do that, simply write at the rate media screen in bracket max dash width, give pixels close bracket, and close this with brackets. So this CSS will only be applied if the screen size is below 600 px and the logo will be hidden. You can change this max width as per your requirements. Anyway, publish this. Let me close this. And let me open the website. Let me go to Inspect. So you can see the logo is hidden. Also, please note that sometimes the theme may have different names for responsive items, so make sure you use the right class or ID name. We hope this video was useful. Thank you very much.